Hi everyone, this is Yushin. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make these stamps with polymer clay, and you can use them on polymer clay and ceramics. And here I'm just showing you some examples that I've made in the past with this method. To start with, you're going to take out a small chunk of polymer clay. I'm using Super Sculpty because it's really soft, so it doesn't hurt my hand when I make things. It is also really hard and not bendy at all after I make them, so it's really suitable for making stamps. After you condition your clay, you're going to press it on a ceramic tile or glass tile or whatever surface you're working on. And then you're just going to draw out what you would like your stamp to look like after it is being stamped. And then you're just going to put it in the oven and then bake it. And then you're going to apply some cornstarch onto the surface with a little brush. This will prevent the clay from sticking to each other. And then you're going to take out a chunk of unbaked polymer clay piece, and then you're going to press it onto the baked piece. And then this is the most important step. You have to make sure that the edges are being folded up so that it won't be shown after you stamp it. And then you're going to put this in the oven and then bake it. After you bake it, you're going to attach the handle. Make sure that you attach the handle after you bake the stamp part. This just ensures that you won't mess up the details on the stamp while attaching the handle. After you attach the handle, you would bake them together in the oven again, and then it's good to use. You can use them on polymer clay, you can use them on ceramics. And you can see the result of this stamp that I made in this video at the end. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you guys in the next video.